Picture this. The year is not 2045. It's closer than you think. Everywhere you look, machines. They don't just assist us, they replace us. They drive our cars, perform surgeries, trade stocks faster than the blink of an eye. They generate novels, compose music, even design entire cities overnight. And one by one, the careers we thought were untouchable, lawyers, artists, doctors, even teachers, vanish into the hands of artificial intelligence. So here's the question that keeps the brightest minds awake. When machines can do almost everything better than humans, what's left for us? This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. And the answer, the last human skill AI cannot replace, will decide not just who succeeds, but who survives. Think about your own life. What do you do every day that an AI couldn't eventually master? Typing emails, calculations, even editing this video. AI can already do it. The uncomfortable truth is this. If your value is built only on tasks, sooner or later, a machine will outperform you. But there is one human ability, one ancient skill that machines can't touch. A skill born not in silicon, but in human experience. And if you hold on until the end of this video, I'll show you why this ability isn't just the last human skill. It's the one thing the future will pay any price for. History proves it. Every leap in technology leaves millions behind, unless they adapt. The printing press ended scribes but made storytellers and thinkers more powerful. The Industrial Revolution replaced laborers, but those who envisioned thrived. Now with AI, it's happening again. Survival won't belong to those who outwork machines. It will belong to those who do what machines cannot: create meaning. Imagine this. You're sitting with someone you love. They tell you they're scared, unsure of tomorrow. Now picture an AI giving them a scripted response. I understand. Statistically, your chance of survival is 78.9%. Please remain calm. Accurate? Maybe. Helpful? Absolutely not. Because what they need isn't data. It's presence connection. Someone who can feel their fear and still offer hope. Machines calculate probabilities. Only humans offer meaning. This is why, in a world of automation, the rarest currency won't be information, but interpretation. Facts are useless without someone who can turn them into vision and purpose. An AI can tell you exercise lowers stress. But it takes a coach, a friend, or a leader to light the fire in you, the one that says, I won't quit today. This human skill isn't just empathy, it's about shaping the future. Every great leader didn't just deliver data, they delivered meaning. They turned fear into courage, chaos into clarity, despair into determination. AI provides the facts. Humans provide the why. So here's what it means for you. If you compete with machines on speed or memory, you lose. But if you master the human arts, storytelling, empathy, imagination, vision, you win. Because in a future drowning in machine noise, people will desperately search for voices that feel real. The danger isn't that AI will destroy us. It's that we'll forget what it means to be human. Already, people talk more to their phones than their families. Already, AI tools write love letters, funeral speeches, even sermons. But if we forget our humanity, we don't need AI to take over. We'll give it away. The last human skill isn't just survival. It's remembering who we are. Here's the truth I promised. The skill AI can't replace is this: the ability to create meaning, to feel deeply, and to connect soul to soul. It's the art of turning facts into stories, pain into purpose, uncertainty into vision. That is what leaders will be valued for. That is what lovers will be cherished for. That is what makes us human. So ask yourself, are you training your mind to think like a machine? Or are you training your soul to connect like a human? Because the future won't belong to those who copy machines, but to those who embrace what machines will never have: imagination. Empathy, presence. Meaning, call to action, cinematic. If this message struck you, share it. Someone you know needs this reminder today. And if you're ready to prepare for the future, not by competing with machines, but by mastering the art of being fully human, hit subscribe. Because this channel isn't just about technology. It's about the only thing stronger than technology: the human spirit.